Here we are leaving Limehouse Basin. It's amazing mixture of old and new. This was once a very, very busy little wharf all around here. Probably pretty rough in its time, in Victorian times, with all the ships coming in. Main waterway into the canal and waterway system of England. We are moving up to Islington today, but first we have to negotiate a number of locks. We're just turning the boat now. Right ahead you can see a row of very large Dutch barges. Dutch barges, you can see, have a keel.
Alan, I need you to push it off.
Okay, we're coming in a little bit close down here to this boat and to this coot, but I think we'll be alright. We need to turn hard. There she goes. And we're heading up into the gap. Managed to just miss that little boat. Of course, narrowboats are steel, as are the Dutch barges, strong boats. But you've got all the fiberglass boats, and if they're hit by a narrowboat, they're likely to get cracked. Just going to say goodbye to Old Father Thames. We're coming up, you can just see in the distance there, that's these huge lock gates that lead into the Thames. And the bridge above it is a swing bridge, so they have to close that off with barriers when they're taking a big boat through. And that's it. Here we are on this fine wintry morning. Passing through the marina. By Father Thames. And we're going to swing in a minute onto the Regent's Union Canal. Okay, I'm in Aisha's sight line. Need to get over the other side and not fall in the canal as well, or in the marina. Slightly large boat just there. Now they would definitely need to open the bridge for that one. A lot of these boats never leave the marina. I asked the guy who's manning the marina, and he said only about 30% of them actually go out. So we're turning a sharp right here. You can just see the CRT black and white sign there. Okay. So there we go. Another big ship there. Just see us round the corner here. Sign for a water bus. If you're not a Londoner, you probably don't know that there are boats that go up and down and take people to work.
Do we need to take the chimney down?
I don't think we need to take the chimney down. I think we'll be alright. No, it's not too low. And there, right immediately, is the lock. So, just coming into view, right hand side. So I'm going to stop now, get out, and open the lock.